Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install JDK, which will allow us to write and compile the Java codes. So the JDK stands for Java Development Kit, and by compiling it means converting the Java language to the language which our system will understand. So to do that, open your browser and write JDK. So the first link, that oracle.com java, this, click on this one. Now you will get various versions like Java LTS, long-term support, SC, and etc. So we will use the latest one here, Java SC16. Now the SC stands for Standard Edition. There are various versions of Java like EE, Enterprise Edition, one with NetBeans and more. So just hit download button. Yeah, the license and stuff. Now here we need to check which version of Java we need according to our computer requirements. So I'm using a system with 64-bit architecture, so I will be using this one. But if you are not sure about your system architecture, then go to I think something here. Nope. Yeah, open your My Computer and right click on it, Properties. Here you will see the system type, 64-bit operating system. So whatever it shows you here, like 32-bit, so according to that, get the version of Java you need. Like I'm running a 64-bit version, so here I will download this 64-bit installer. Hit download, I review, yes, and download. Now I already have Java downloaded, so I don't need to download it again. So after the download is complete, you will need to install it. Like it will ask for the location. Just agree about all the I accept, and then install. And when your installation is complete, now we need to check if our Java is installed in our system or not. So before that, you will need to go to the location where you have downloaded your Java compiler. So in my case, I have already installed it in my D drive, program files, Java. Now open this JDK16 folder, bins, and copy this whole location. Now in my case, I have installed my JDK in particularly this drive, but if you are going by the default settings, it must be in your Windows C drive, program files, and then the same Java folder and stuff. Like if I show you, you will get all the same thing. Just see here. So after this, you need to type here advanced system settings. And this panel will open up. So now here we need to follow this step carefully. Click on environment variables, and here you will see path variable, and if you don't see one, click on new, variable name, this path, and variable value, the location we have copied. Okay. And if you already have this path variable here, select path and edit. You will get this type of window here. Click on new and enter your location here. And as you can see, I already have this one here, so I don't need to do this step. After that, press OK, and yeah, we will get our path selected. Okay, close this, close this. So why we did this? So we just installed the JDK compiler earlier, and now we need to tell our system like where to find those files. So doing all those stuff made our system know that we have installed the file and it's in that location. So now to check if our JDK is working or not, open search, write cmd command prompt and open it. You will get this black screen and saying something like this. Now type java c and press enter. If you get this bunch of I don't know various things written shows up, so it means we have correctly installed our Java and now we are ready to write codes in it. And if you're not seeing this, then follow the above steps and all those path and stuff, and after that write this java c and check again. And now that we know that our compiler is working properly, now we can write Java codes and run it in our system. So in the next video, I will show you how to write your first Java code.